need to build the consistency, the habits. So if you fear losing money, then you have a big problem. And money has nothing to do with your emotion. I don't make money when you lose. You will not make money when I lose. And you will not make money when anybody loses as well. So that's how the business is. So psychologically, preparing yourself for what is coming, it's better than you being there trying to train yourself at the time. But also with brokers, they've made it simple. You have a micro account. You can put 100 rands there. You can trade in micros. You don't lose much. Maybe you lose like 1 rand, 2 rand. But it's not about the money at first. It's about the information, practicing the right information.